Good morning, gentle souls and sensitive souls who feel nature so readily. And here we are, just looking at a beautiful hedgerow, the utter richness and complexity of the beautiful umbellifers and red campion, and just a flurry of richness for the soul. Yeah, so just wanted to share this as I'm doing my run this morning. I suddenly felt an urge to share this recognition of her, Mother Earth, that's within us, running through our roots and connecting us to her through our soul and sensitivity. And there's something here in this subtle allowing of the beauty and the silence of her within us. This is nothing to do with the left hemisphere, which is obviously very crucial, and I respect this, but we're touching into something subtle, sensing, allowing, being still to the creatures that are here. So as we feel other beings in the world who are complex and unique, so we do in nature. Something slow, we slow down. And here we have a lovely, just be quiet. And this beautiful blackbird, this is their tree. I run along or walk along here. They're always here. It's their home. Isn't it beautiful just to be still, just to hear, just to listen. Nowhere to go but here. Feel the breeze, the beautiful song, the rustling leaves. So for now, that was just a little snippet of the beauty of nature and attuning ourselves as we do to the deep listening, the deep seeing. I'll just end with this lovely red campion in this beautiful hedgerow. And bye for now. Sending much love to everyone.